Outsourcing IT services is a strategic move that many businesses, both big and small, are making in order to meet their technical demands and streamline their operations. But why exactly is outsourcing IT services beneficial? In this video, we'll explore 3 key benefits of using outsourced IT services. Whether it's network management, data security, or system maintenance, managing IT functions can be complex and time-consuming. Outsourcing these tasks to experts can offer a host of benefits. Here are the top 3. Access to expertise. One of the biggest advantages of outsourcing IT services is access to a broad range of expertise. This allows your business to tap into a pool of professionals who are experienced in various aspects of technology, which is especially beneficial if you don't have in-house experts. You also get to stay up to date with the latest tech trends and solutions without investing heavily in staff training. Cost savings. With outsourced IT services, you typically pay for what you need when you need it, allowing for more predictable budgeting. Additionally, you save on the costs associated with hiring and maintaining an in-house team, such as salaries, benefits, and continuous training. Focus on core business functions. By leaving the IT tasks to experts, you and your team can focus on what you do best, running your business. This allows you to dedicate more time and energy to developing strategies, improving your products or services, and expanding your customer base. Outsourcing your IT services provides numerous advantages that can help you streamline operations, reduce costs, and ultimately, grow your business. Remember, the key is to choose a reliable service provider that understands your business needs. If you want help finding the best solution for your business, give our team a call. We're happy to help.